Okay, owl jammers. Today we'll be opening up 20 pet adoption tokens. Let's start. So, our first one is a stupid fucking penguin. I fucking hate penguins. So fugly. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's like a really rich item, so fuck that. So for our second pet, we got the fucking camel. What's like a fucking, what's it called, model? No, like a, why the fuck did, okay, I want to say in a weird way, I fucking hate that. Fuck that shit. Next we have a fucking butterfly. I mean, those are cool, but what the fuck? It looks like it's a damn zombie. That's fugly. Okay, next pet. Better be good. This is like a fourth pet so far. Yes! Go to fucking links. We got a pet. It likes hummus. Okay, so next, this is our fifth pet. A fucking fat ass hippo. What the fuck? Wow, nobody wants the fucking hippo. Let's just get rid of that thing. Okay, so next we have the, what is that? Scorpion? What the fuck is that? Pet horseshoe crab. It's a damn horseshoe crab. What? Okay. This is like our seventh. Not even a lucky piglet. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious right now, bro? Next, we have a pet fox. Oh my, it looks like a zombie. Get that thing the fuck out of my place. Come on. Okay, next one. A pet ducky, but it looks pretty disturbed. Yeah, it's kind of fluky, not gonna lie. Okay, next pet. This is our 10th pet. We're halfway through. A fucking snake! I hate this game. A rattlesnake. Don't give a shit. It's ugly. This pet. A fennec fox. Yay! But it looks so fugly, bro. It's yellow and orange. Ugh. I mean, yellow and tan. Ugh. It's giving the egg. Oh my god, it's an ocelot. A fucking ocelot! A fucking ocelot! Okay, this is one of the final. A fucking seal! Everyone can afford those damn things. Okay, guys, here we go. A fucking pet corgi. The ugliest fucking pet ever. A fucking corgi. Oh my god, I hate the game. 15th pet, right? Another one of these penguins! I don't understand. Why do I keep getting these damn things? They're ugly. Okay, 60. An axolotl. Oh, I was just playing Canadian Pet earlier. Oh my god. Kill yourself. Let's see here. We only have 3 more pets. A snail? Who came up with this? Snail. Wait, are they like special or something? A coyote, but it looks like a zombie. It's not even that big of a deal. It's just a damn snail. Let's see here. A horse. A horse. Highland pony. I know. Okay, it's the last one, guys. Please be a good one.